Children, are you enjoying this chapter? Yes, you are enjoying? Very good. Isn't it very easy? Channa Murra type of questions are here. Let us now find out how to solve the textbook questions. Now I have taken one question from page 65, that is one of the try these. Now the first one, find the mode of. Now here they have given many numbers and from that numbers you have to find out, from the list of data you have to find out the mode. So what we will do? Yes, very good. First we will make 3 columns. Here the first column will be for the numbers which are given. So from the list you have to first sort it and write down in ascending order. The smallest number here is 0. Then I can see 2. Then I can see 3 also, 4 also and 5 also. That means there must be some unit test of 5 marks and children have got some marks. So here what we will write down? We will write down the observation in tally marks form. And here respect to the tally marks we will write down the number. Okay. We will start with 0. Count how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So it is 1. Now check for 2. 2 I can see 1, 2, 3. Correct? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Here I have 3 numbers which are repeating. That is 2 is repeating 3 times. Then count how many times 3 is repeating. 3, 1, 2, 3. This is also repeating 3 times. Now count 4. Check for 4 children. You all have to open your textbook. I am waiting. See page number 65. You pause the video, go get your book and see. Where if I make some mistake, so when you will show me your solutions, there like Sadia did, she has written with pencil, ma'am, here one mistake is there. And where is the mistake I am telling you? In that video where we were calculating median, I have written 282 divided by 6. Yes, but at the rough hand side, I have divided by mistake with 6. So please check that and correct it. Now for number 4. 4 is repeating 1, 2, 3. This also I can see 3 times. Yes, 1, 2, 3. And question number, what is that? 5th. 5 is repeating 1, 2. 2 times. I can also see 6. So 6 is repeating 1 time, that is 1. Now they are saying find out the mode. Highest occurrence. See children, mode means the number which is repeating more often or highest occurrence of the data. So here you can see we have 3 modes together. Have you understood? This is very confusing. You have such question in textbook also. Same way. Okay. So there they are asking, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If suppose in any competition you must have seen in our school also. Even though during competition children are participating, but sometimes when it is neck to neck competition, you will see the first prize or second or third prize is backed by more than one child. Yes or no? Same thing here. Highest occurrence. So here below this you will write down the formula of mode. Mode equal to highest occurrence. Therefore here number 2, 3 and 4 are the mode as they are repeating most often. Clear children? So let us understand median with one example. Suppose children you have got some numbers, that is some data list. Take for example, have you understood what is the question? The question is that from the given data find out the median. Median is the middle term. How we will find out? Just understand the following steps which is common every time. First, you will sort the data in ascending order. After that, see what we will do. Let us start. The smallest number here is 24. This I have written What did I tell you children yesterday? That when you write the number, cancel it. Then any other number more than this? Yes, we have one more 24. Write down 24. Then one more 24. Write that 24 also. After 24, we can write, see here we have 26. Then 26. Then what can you take? 36. 36. Then after 36, another number. After this will be 38. Then I can see 39 and I will rub this much. 39. Then 39 children. Then I have 42 and 43. I'll write down neatly. So we have 42 and 43. This much you have understood what we have done. The list what was given to us, we have sorted the data. This is our first step. Now I will tell you one baby game to solve the question and get answer in fraction of second. That is your cross-checking method. We have one method that also I will tell you. But how to get middle term without applying formula, this we will learn. Now what you do children, you make a box. Listen to me. You make a box, remove the commas and make it like this. Remove the commas and draw a line. So what this has become? This has become a train. I am joking. Is it clear? Now you start putting numbers. This is the first box. Write down first box, second box, third box, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 number, 8 number box and 9 number box. So from left to right you have labeled it with number, you have given them roll numbers. Now from here also you will start count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? Did you notice that while coming from right to left or from left to right? See children, what is this? This number is getting same number, or you can say roll number is same both the times when you move from left to right or from right to left. So this is the middle term. Which one? You will say what is this? This is the fifth term. So answer will be like this. Median equal to fifth term. And what is the fifth term? What is that number? That is 36. Understood? So easy. But this is applicable only when you have odd number of data. That is number of observations. They are here, see 9. So n equal to 9. N is number of observation. So this type of method is true for all the numbers which will be odd numbers. That is in the list, if you have odd number of data, n is 9, 11, 7, then this is true. This is a, you can say, unofficial way. Now let us find out this by formula method. Now we will apply formula and find out the median. But the first step remains the same, that you have to sort it in ascending order. So this will be same. Then you have to count n. Count n. N is number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So the formula for median. Here also again for odd numbers we have two formulas. One is to calculate median for odd numbers and one is to calculate median for even numbers. So for odd numbers they say that you take n plus 1 and divide it by 2. So n is here 9. So 10, sorry. So 9 is, n is 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. And what is this? that will be the term. N plus 1 by 2th term. Is it clear? Because we don't know the answer. Fifth term, they will give you the number, that roll number, the position. So you will come to know median is at which position. So the formula is median for odd number n plus 1 upon 2. Then here n is 9. So 9 plus 1, 10 by 2. That is fifth term. See, our answer is again correct. Yes, by that unofficial method also. Fifth term now count after sorting the data, getting the answer, you will locate the fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my fifth term. And this was our answer also. And then you will write down answer. Median is equals to fifth term, that is 36. Is it clear? I hope you have understood this well. I am sweating like anything. Okay. So what will you do for middle term? You will arrange it in ascending order and then start counting from right to left and left to right. This is 100% sure shot way to get the answer. You get the answer, it is 36. But then do solve it by the method it is given in the book. This is the method to find by formula. So apply the formula. Let us take 12, 11. We will take numbers from 11 to 20. 30 odd number. I will take one more, that is 15. Let us arrange it. Smallest number here is 11. I have written. The second one is here. Cancel it. Third one is again 11. Then write down 12. Again one more 12. And 20. After writing the values, please children, once you count the total numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here it is 13. We have counted. Now count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, it is correct. So number of observation is 13. So how will you find out median for odd numbers? What is the formula? Say it 5 times. N plus 1 by 2th term. Say n plus 1 by 2th term, that is n plus 1 upon 2. This term will give you the median. So 13 plus 1 upon 2 is 14 by 2. That is the 7th term. There the answer is hidden. Count the 7th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the answer. So you will write down median is the 7th term, that is 14. Now let us solve this by our shortcut method. Count. Give them the roll numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leave. See here. For odd numbers, there will be one place where moving from right to left or left to right, you will get same number. This is our answer. Interesting? But this is only for odd number of data in the list. For even number, I will tell you tomorrow. So my wonderful children, all smart girls, will do exercise 3.2. You will complete it, children. God bless you. I expect that you will be doing your work and you will have no problem. If still any difficulty persists, Ma'am Nikita is there for you. Do text me. God bless you, children.